coming to check out today's video. This video is sponsored by AliSugar. This is a AliExpress company that is my first time working with them, but so far so good. So definitely keep on watching if you want to see more about this hair. Alright you guys, so I will leave the type of hair right down here. I believe this is their loose wave, but I'm not 100% sure. I will leave it down here. I know that I got 2 bundles of 22, 2 bundles of 24, and I got a frontal. So the frontal was really bomb. I did have to pluck it, so I plucked it. I didn't bleach my knots. I just added my foundation into it, and then I played around with my baby hairs and the baby hairs on the unit, and the hair really came out really nice. You guys, I had to literally squeeze 3 bundles onto this unit. I wanted to try to get 4 bundles, but there was just no way. So let me turn around so you can see this unit from all sides. So you guys, there is still something to be said for making your own unit from frontal and bundles. You can get that super full density that you're really looking for without having to pay the premium for a fuller density lace wig. Lace wigs usually come as 130 density, but if you want it fuller, you have to pay. Whereas this you can make it as full as can possibly fit onto your head, and this for me was 3 full bundles and a lace frontal. So I will definitely leave a clip here. So I also wanted to let you guys know that this company has a contest every month from the 1st to the 5th. They'll pick 15 of their customers who have purchased in the past that have posted on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, and those 50 customers will be able to get a full refund if they screenshot their order number and give a review. So definitely make sure that you post your pictures and give a review so you can be entered to win. And they also will give you $10 cash back if you post and do things on social media. So definitely check them out for that. See if you can get a refund on any hair that you order from them. You guys, so hopefully you like that tutorial. Really simple, just use regular weave glue and just sew the frontal onto a wig cap. If you guys have questions or want to see a more detailed tutorial of how I make my lace frontal wigs using just a wig cap and weave glue, then definitely leave a thumbs up or leave a comment so that I know you guys want to see that. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the slow-mos because they are so lit, and I'll see you guys in the next one.